Okay, I will be putting this power steering rack on my car this week. Just put some grease. I didn't film it. I forgot to film it. Just put some grease in this area. That was really dry. This second-hand one I got from a wrecking yard. Yeah, that was dry as. No grease at all. I'm just using the bearing grease. That's the only grease I got. It will do the same job. I need to take that off, but I just can't do it. I need to hook it up to the car to undo it properly. Yeah. Marked it. It's 8 across. I haven't marked this one because this one's still good. Yeah, that's a good one. Need to do that one. So the steering is pulled out for me to do that. And when I close it up, I'm using the shifter on there. I'm getting a tripod this week. Make it easy when I film things. I've got a little one but he broke. I'm getting a big one with a big tripod stands. Yeah, that's no good. That will come off. This is my other one I had, and that's really a good one. We'll put that one on. Well, everything works in there because I put oil in it. It's squirt on the ground, that's good. Yeah. Well, I had to stop this video because I got greasy gloves. And I will turn that around, make this one come out for me to put grease there, and that's bone dry. Okay, I pull this out. That's out. Look how dry that is. That's bone dry. I might unclip that zip tie there for me to slide that out a bit more, for me to pull that back to get the elbow here. The elbow is there. I just can't get to it, but it won't go back. Well, it might go back if I use my both hands to do it. Yeah. Okie dokie. I took the zip tie off that. Now I can get to that part there. That's as far as I can get the steering. That's back in. Let's make it a little bit slippery. Let's put a little bit more in this area. Just a little bit more there. That should be enough. Okay. Now, I'll just give that a bit of wipe down in a minute. Slide that back in, the bit back there. Clean it up, zip tie it, and put another zip tie on that one. Same on this one. Zip tie them ones back together. Put it over here. yeah, that's it. And I need to try to get that undone. The locking nut. Might just have to wait when I put the rack on the car to hold it. It's really hard to do it by myself, you know. No one's here to hold it for me. So you may as well put it on the car first. Then I will crack the lock nut. Okay, this one had the zip tie already on it. I need to go inside. I thought I had some big ones in there. They're all the same size. I've got some zip ties that are much bigger to go around here. I just put this zip tie on, and I still need to get the bigger one on this one and push it in further. There we go. Hold it in there. Okay, only one big one, that's all I have. Yeah, one giant one. Yeah, I thought about, because I want to put a small one there and a large one here. Then, only thing we got is the skinny ones. Yeah, I don't want to put skinny ones there. I could put two there, but I'll wait when I go in town next time. The power steering will be hooked up to the car in about 7 days anyway. Yeah, before that I get one of these wide ones. Yeah, it's no good me putting these little skinny ones on it. Shouldn't really matter, but just me, I just want to, because that's big kind of thing, I just want a bigger one around it. Oh, I'll do this one. Okay, I've got that one on. That should be nice and tight now. Next time I go in town, I get the big one and I put that up. I give this a bit of a clean up before I put it on the car. Just use degreaser, 3-in-1. Let's give it a bit of a clean. I gave it a little bit of clean up. It came out a little bit more cleaner. Much cleaner was before anyway. I'm not really worried about to get spotless like new, but just make it a bit decent when I put it on. Had the old one off because that's a bit oily, because the boot here is broken on the old one and it's leaking oil. Power steering fluid's coming out. I'm always getting hard steering. It gets good. A couple of days it gets hard. Then I'll turn the engine off and start it up again, and the power steering works again. Yeah, it's time to replace the second hand one on it. Yeah, the wrecking yard said it's a good one. Doesn't leak any oil. The rubber bits are A1 condition. But what you see before, the grease was dry as. Now I turned that a couple of times to get the grease in, kind of thing. And yeah, oh well, that's my job done today. That's going on the Holden Statesman over there. Yeah. So when I get the power steering back on next week, patrol arm bushes will be going on the same day. And the next day, I'll drive roughly 45 minutes drive to the local shop to get a wall alignment done. And yeah, that should be cool then. Well, thanks for watching my video. Thumbs up and whatever you want to do. Yeah, keep my channel going. Bye.